Now I want to introduce you electrical components and how to start and stop this Elgi PG200 compressor. So first of all, start with the battery. This compressor have one single battery with 12 volt and 80 ampere hours. Here is the starter motor 32 ampere and this one charging alternator. And then here pressure regulator, loading unloading solenoid valve. Here is high pressure switch and high pressure sensor. And then here you can see here a diesel tank. After that pre-filter, and then you can see here in the downside inside it's called a fuel pump, electrical pump, which helps to initially pump the fuel. And this pump also helps when engine is airlock. And then here's the pre-filter. Then you can see here fuel water separator. Then you can see here is a fuel filter, and then there is a lube oil filter, you can see inside. And then here is stop solenoid. And then inside you can see here inside, so it's called, see here, here this is a lube oil pressure sensor. Here is temperature switch, lube oil pressure switch. And then I will show you how to start and stop the compressor. First see here is only this switch. Turn on this one. Once you turn on this one, fuel pump is turned on. So fuel pump start pumping for initial timing. This pump is pumping. So after that we just press this button and compressor will start. So after that compressor will hold initial pressure will 4 bar, and after that once initial time okay, then after that pressure will go 8 bar. So just see, compressor is start now. So now see the pressure is just 4 bar. Okay, so after this there is, see here at this time there is no air. There is no air. Just wait. Close it and just close this one. Once you close this one, pressure is